Welcome back to Daily Auto Tips, your go-to for real-world car advice. Today, we're tackling 10 popular car maintenance myths that too many drivers still believe. These could be costing you money, or even putting your safety at risk. Let's break them down one by one. Myth number 1, change your oil every 5,000 kilometers. Myth: you must change your oil every 5,000 kilometers or else your engine will get damaged. Truth: modern engines and synthetic oils are built to last longer. Most can go 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers, and some even more. Always check your owner's manual. Changing oil too often isn't just unnecessary, it wastes money. Myth number 2, premium fuel improves performance. Myth: using premium gas makes your car run better and faster. Truth: unless your car requires premium, it doesn't help at all. In fact, using high-octane fuel in a regular engine offers no benefits, just a higher bill. Save your money and use what your vehicle recommends. Myth number 3, warm up your car for 10 minutes. Myth: you should idle your car for 10 minutes before driving in winter. Truth: with today's fuel-injected engines, 30 to 60 seconds is enough. Idling too long just wastes gas and can cause carbon buildup. Drive gently to warm up. It's faster and better for the engine. Myth number 4, bigger tires are safer. Myth: installing bigger tires gives you more grip and safety. Truth: oversized tires can cause speedometer errors, poor fuel economy, and damage to suspension components. Unless you're upgrading properly with a lift and calibration, stick to OEM sizes. Myth number 5, flush coolant every year. Myth: you need to flush your coolant every single year. Truth: not anymore. Modern coolant can last up to 5 years or 150,000 kilometers. Yearly flushes are outdated unless there's contamination or major overheating. Myth number 6, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Myth: there's no need to touch parts until they fail. Truth: preventive maintenance is cheaper and safer. Waiting for failure often leads to bigger, costlier repairs, breakdowns, or dangerous situations, especially for things like timing belts or brakes. Myth number 7, dead battery equals new battery. Myth: if your battery dies, you need a new one. Truth: not always. Sometimes it's just corroded terminals, a weak alternator, or a parasitic draw. Always test the battery and charging system before replacing. Myth number 8, dish soap is fine for washing cars. Myth: you can use dish soap to wash your car. Truth: dish soap strips off protective wax and dulls your paint over time. Use a pH-balanced car wash soap designed for automotive use. Myth number 9, topping up brake fluid fixes brake issues. Myth: if your brake pedal feels soft, just top up the brake fluid. Truth: low fluid often signals worn brake pads or a leak. Topping it up may hide a problem temporarily, but you're risking brake failure if the root cause isn't addressed. Myth number 10, tire rotation isn't important. Myth: rotating your tires is optional. They wear out eventually anyway. Truth: rotating tires ensures even wear, extends tire life, and improves safety. Skipping it leads to premature tire wear, poor handling, and costly replacements. Bonus tip: trust the dash. Don't ignore those warning lights. The check engine light, ABS, tire pressure, they're not just suggestions. Get a diagnostic scan and find the root issue before it becomes serious. So, how many of these myths did you believe? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more real-world car tips, only on Daily Auto Tips.